What's up mga makisig? Welcome back again to my channel, Makisig TV. At for today's video, we discuss a new product, new model of radios. So before we start, I would like to show my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. You can search on YouTube, just type Makisig TV. I have a few videos about tutorial on radio, antennas, etc. So we can start. First of all, first product of Retevis. Yan. You can search it, Retevis P1 High Power Super Het AES256 UHF DMR walkie-talkie with speak mic. This kind of radios also UHF and DMR. Then stable signal, safe and reliable, efficient for work, built-in relay. So that's good. Also for company. Long distance, built-in a single frequency relay function effectively, extends the communication distance and expand the call range, provide you with reliable and stable communication and better for long distance communication. P1 is also a strong compatibility, support of ARC4, AES128 and AES256, compatible with Moto solution, make it discreet to communicate. Also, P1 is an analog and digital mode. Yes, dual mode, dual compatible with analog and digital mode, easy to work with RT81, RT29 and Moto solutions. Like what I've said, the digital mode and analog mode. Also, superior audio performance, digital two-way radio features and superior sound quality for clear communication. Okay, that's right. For the battery, P1 have 46 hours of standby time and 14 hours of working time. Only require 4 to 5 hours of charging time with a built-in 2500 mAh battery and Type-C rechargeable walkie-talkie. Effectively supports all-day warehouse or rescue work use without frequent charging. Okay, 2500 mAh. That's good. 46 hours standby time and working time for 14 hours. Also, P1 have a record function, 260-hour continuous record time, review important details and check the information. Wow. Then, one of the best features is a single and group call. Wow. 3 communication method, Retevis P1 UHF two-way radio can flexibly achieve individual and team and group communication, better meet your needs in large team. So it's up to you if you want a single call, group call and all call. Then P1 secure two-way radio, lone worker and emergency alarm, keep you safe when you work alone or are in emergencies. Okay, it has emergency alarm, 2-pin Retevis handle PDT speaker mic, other accessories. So that's all for P1, Retevis P1. That's good for now. P1, once again, P1 high power super Het AES256 UHF DMR walkie-talkie with speak mic. So next, HD2 A-Lance. Retevis A-Lance HD2 waterproof dual band DMR radio. In the previous discussion, analog and DMR. For now, HD2 waterproof dual band and DMR also. A-Lance HD2 ham radio born for HMA, also digital and analog radio. We have a Bluetooth function, high power, GPS, IP67 waterproof, VFO, Bluetooth compatible 5.0. Wow. The matching Bluetooth comfortable, designed for instant hands-free use. It's the best for hiking, for rides. And also IP67 waterproof, 1 meter deep water for 30 minutes. Okay, you can totally submerge in water for 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. Okay, large contact capacity for the maximum of 500,000 contacts. Wow. And 3,000 channels, support for CSV file upload and DMR contacts. For the power, you can adjust for 10 watts, 5 watts, 1 watts and 0.5 watts. So there's 10 watts is for long distance communication and 0.5 watts for supports DMR hotspot. A-Lance is maximum of 10 watts for the high power. And DMR digital radio, we have multi-group communication, high definition sound quality, digital encrypted communication. So what I've said for Bluetooth headset, also compatible to wear, connect Vox function and ultra clear sound quality. Okay, regarding to the rechargeable battery, it has a 3,200 mAh 30 to 35 hours of ultra long use time. Okay, provide recharge power for 10 watts high power. It's too long for like this unit. A-Lance is built-in GPS. Locate and share location with Meet. It is also a GPS. There's a lot of accessories. First of all, for the HD2 DMR ham radio, we have belt clip, hand strap, data cable, battery, Type-C charging cable, wireless headphone, charging base, and also the user manual. Also, adjustable power. Once again, A-Lance HD2 DMR digital radio provides for adjustable power. 10 watts, 5 watts, and also 1 watts and 0.5 watts. VFO programming. The A-Lance HD2 radio can be programmed from the front panel without the need of computer. Okay, you can also program using manual programming. Also, single group and all call. Dual band radio supports different call modes for various occasions, including personal, group, and team communication, meeting the flexible needs of large teams. Okay, sa PTT function, dual PTT function, you can press the PTT button or side key button to transmit or different bandwidths. Pressing the asterisk or scan key to switch band A or B. For the emergency alarm, press the specified alarm key to turn local or remote alarm. Between alarm, you will send the voice to your partner to ask for help, making your going out secure. NOAA weather alerts, night mode. A-Lance HD2 supports both day and night display modes. The night mode can reduce the damage of the strong light to the eyes and improve reading comfort. Clear sound quality. HD2 DMR ham radio adopts digital technology, provides superior audio than analog two-way radio. In addition, the 0 to 9 option squelch function effectively filters out the background, wind, or vehicle sound, enhancing communication clarity even when you are in a noisy environment. Communication with members without worries. What's in the box? One HD2 radio, one Type-C charger, one USB Type-C charging cable, one Type-C desktop charger, one antenna, one programming cable for HD2, one user's manual, one belt clip, one sling, and one Bluetooth earpiece. There's an other specification. You can also read this. Okay, so that's all for second radio. A-Lance HD2 waterproof dual band DMR radio. And we go for the third model also. Ratebis NR30D, NR30D, AES256 long range waterproof DMR business radio with noise reduction. The difference between A-Lance HD2 and NR30D, same waterproof, DMR and analog. DMR walkie-talkie radio, clear call, better choice. Okay, it has a high power, noise reduction, AES256, IP67 waterproof, and dustproof. So A-Lance HD2 is a waterproof, then rather than NR30D, IP67 waterproof also and dustproof. So analog and also digital. For the NR30D, also a large battery walkie-talkie, supports for Type-C charging, and this radio is equipped with 2800 mAh battery, provide with 15 hours of interception, saving working life, 70 hours of standby time, and it is also support with Type-C charging and desktop charging to better ensure your work frequency. It has a Type-C charger and also a charging base. NR30D heavy-duty long-range waterproof radio is the best communication tool for working place. IP67 rated waterproof, ABS material, it can resist shock and drop well. Better for workplace as well as bad weather. Okay, waterproof and also dustproof. For the screen, it has a hidden screen which provides a channel information display, making it easy to see information about the channel you are on, as well as important things such as power levels. You can see the power level: FM, high, mid power, low power, Vox, DMR channel number, then the battery consumption or battery icon, transmission level, the lock of the radio. Also have a single or group and all call. It is an emergency alarm. Also, Vox hands-free. Package includes one NR30D DMR waterproof radio, 1 programming cable, 1 charger, 1 USB cable, 1 belt clip, 1 user manual, 1 lanyard, 1 adapter. Frequency range for UHF 400 to 480 MHz. Channel capacity 64 channels, 2 zones, 32 channels per zone. Okay, so 2 zones, 32 plus 32, 64. For output power, it has 10 watts. For the middle is 5 watts. For low is 1 watts. 2800 mAh. Frequency spacing is 12.5 kHz. For the operating voltage, 7.4 DC. For the colors, black. So on for the dimension of antenna, exclude antenna, 126 by 58 by 36 millimeter. So for the weight, include battery, 550 grams. Okay, that's all. Once again, new product of Retevis P1. Yan, P1 high power super het AES 256 UHF DMR walkie-talkie with speak mic. Okay, speaker mic. Second is A-Lance HD2 waterproof dual band DMR radio. Dual band, analog, and DMR radio. Also waterproof. This one is UHF DMR with speaker mic. Then last and the third radio, Retevis NR30D AES 256 long range waterproof DMR business radio with noise reduction. Okay, also dual band, analog, and DMR with noise reduction. Okay, waterproof also, waterproof and dust proof. Okay, so that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more info, just comment on comment section. Once again, thank you so much Retevis for trusting Makisig TV, for choosing Makisig TV to discuss your product. And thank you so much all viewers to watching this video. And alright, don't forget, please subscribe my YouTube channel on YouTube. Search Makisig TV, then like and subscribe. And there's a lot of videos, tutorial like this. My previous upload, 2-in-1 Zello radio interface, repeater plus repeater controller. Okay, and so you can visit my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. See you on next video, mga Makisig. Thank you so much. Adios.